Hello, Jeremy here with Stellar Sky Systems, and we're going to go over loading the app on the iPad. So this is the PDF which you should have gotten or received printed, and so we're going to reveal the QR code here on top. And if we hit that with the iPad camera, it's going to find the link, and we're going to open that up in the app. The app Central Control is the app you want to download. You can see I've already had it downloaded, and so I'm going to skip all those steps and go ahead and open it up. And when I open it up, we're going to ask it to scan a QR code. So that's this selection right here. And so I have these covered up because they scan it very quickly, and there's two of them on here. That was the iPad one. There's the iPad and the iPhone QR. You want to make sure that you get the appropriate one for your device. And now we are in the app setup. From this page, you want to select what products that you have installed. I have a falling star, panel enhancement, I have a constellation, I have a hybrid board, and I have an ambience. And so from this point, you can follow the instructions on this page. And when you're done following the instructions, you can go to the app settings. Or from here, if you scan the QR code, you can directly click on Captain Stolarski here and go right on using the app. And then you can select what product you want to control, and then they'll all be there. You can scroll through the pages and see different options of your different installed products. If you have your app set up and you wish to go back to the settings page, the Stellar Sky Systems logo at the top, if you swipe from left to right, from the first S to the Y, it'll bring up that first setting page again, and you can make changes in there. You can then tap on Captain Stolarski to get back to the regular app. If you need to refresh your iPad template, simply swipe left to right on the Stellar Sky Systems logo in the top left corner. The settings page will come up, and then click on the app settings button. You'll be taken to the app settings, scroll down, go to project setup, and go to show system load screen. That'll take you back to the QR code when the program is open again. If you go ahead and close the Centro app and then reopen it, it will bring you back to the screen where you have the option of scanning a system QR code. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.